Have you ever wondered why some businesses generate millions in sales, yet still struggle to pay their bills on time? The answer is simple. Sales do not keep a business alive, cash flow does. In this Cash Flow Masterclass video, you will learn practical principles that successful businesses use to control, protect, and grow their cash. Cash flow is the movement of money into and out of a business. It is one of the most important concepts every business owner should understand. A company can make sales every day and still run into trouble if cash is not available when bills, payroll, suppliers, or taxes need to be paid. Many beginners focus only on revenue because revenue feels exciting. More sales often look like success. However, revenue does not tell the whole story. What matters is how much cash actually reaches the bank account and how much remains after paying expenses, obligations, and operational costs every month. Profit and cash flow are not the same thing. A business can show a profit on paper while experiencing serious cash shortages. This happens when customers delay payments, inventory sits unsold, or large expenses arrive before incoming payments. Understanding this difference helps business owners avoid unpleasant financial surprises. Think of cash flow as the oxygen of a business. Without oxygen, even a healthy body struggles to survive. The same principle applies to companies. Strong products, talented employees, and loyal customers are valuable, but poor cash flow can create challenges that affect every area of operations. One common mistake is spending future income before it arrives. Business owners sometimes assume upcoming sales will solve current problems. When those sales are delayed or canceled, cash shortages appear quickly. Successful businesses focus on managing available cash rather than relying on money that has not yet been collected. Cash enters a business from many sources. Customer payments, service contracts, subscriptions, consulting fees, and product sales are common examples. Every business should clearly understand where its cash comes from. Knowing the main sources of incoming cash helps owners make smarter decisions and plan growth more confidently. Cash also leaves a business in many different ways. Rent, salaries, software subscriptions, equipment purchases, marketing expenses, insurance, and taxes all reduce available cash. Small expenses may seem harmless individually, but together they can significantly affect financial stability if not monitored carefully over time. A simple habit can dramatically improve cash flow awareness. Spend a short period every week reviewing bank balances, expected payments, upcoming bills, and major expenses. This routine creates visibility into the financial health of the business and helps identify potential problems before they become serious challenges. Fast-growing businesses often experience cash flow problems because growth requires investment. More customers may require additional inventory, employees, equipment, or marketing. These expenses usually occur before revenue is collected. Growth is positive, but it must be managed carefully to prevent cash shortages during expansion periods. The first goal of cash flow management is not becoming rich overnight. The first goal is stability. A stable business can pay its obligations, serve customers consistently, and handle unexpected events. Once stability is established, growth becomes easier, safer, and far more sustainable over the long term. One of the best ways to improve cash flow is getting paid faster. Many businesses wait too long to send invoices or follow up on unpaid balances. Prompt invoicing and clear payment terms encourage customers to pay sooner, helping the business maintain a healthier cash position throughout the month. Late payments are a silent threat to many businesses. A company may complete excellent work and generate strong sales, yet struggle because customers delay payment. Tracking outstanding invoices regularly helps owners identify payment issues early and take action before they affect daily operations and financial stability. Building a cash reserve creates financial breathing room. Unexpected events happen in every business. Equipment breaks, sales slow down, or expenses increase unexpectedly. A reserve fund helps absorb these situations without creating panic. Businesses with cash reserves often make better decisions because they are not operating under pressure. Inventory management plays a major role in cash flow. Excess inventory locks money inside products sitting on shelves. While inventory is important, too much of it can reduce available cash. Smart businesses balance inventory levels carefully so money remains available for operations, opportunities, and unexpected business needs. Many business owners focus heavily on increasing sales while ignoring expense control. Growing revenue is valuable, but controlling unnecessary spending can improve cash flow immediately. Reviewing recurring expenses regularly often reveals subscriptions, services, or tools that no longer provide enough value to justify their ongoing cost. Payment terms matter more than many people realize. If suppliers require quick payment while customers pay slowly, cash flow becomes strained. Businesses should work toward payment arrangements that support healthy cash movement. Even small improvements in payment timing can make daily financial management significantly easier. Seasonal businesses face unique cash flow challenges. Sales may be strong during certain periods and weaker during others. Planning ahead for slower seasons is essential. Successful owners save part of their stronger cash flow during peak periods so the business remains stable when customer demand temporarily decreases. Forecasting cash flow helps reduce uncertainty. A forecast estimates future cash coming in and going out. It does not need to be complicated. Even a simple forecast provides valuable insight into upcoming financial needs and helps business owners prepare before challenges appear rather than reacting afterward. Large purchases should always be evaluated carefully. Before spending significant amounts of money, consider how the purchase will affect future cash flow. Some investments generate value quickly, while others take longer to produce results. Understanding the impact on available cash helps prevent unnecessary financial stress. Strong cash flow management creates freedom. Instead of constantly worrying about bills and obligations, owners can focus on serving customers, improving products, and building the future. Businesses that manage cash effectively often experience less stress, greater flexibility, and more opportunities to grow on their own terms. Many businesses fail not because they lack customers, but because they run out of cash. When cash disappears, important obligations become difficult to meet. Employees, suppliers, and service providers all depend on timely payments. Maintaining healthy cash flow protects the business from avoidable financial pressure and operational disruption. Business owners should separate personal and business finances from the very beginning. Mixing expenses creates confusion and makes it difficult to understand the true financial condition of the company. Separate accounts provide clarity, improve record keeping, and make cash flow tracking much more accurate and reliable over time. Discounts can increase sales, but they should be used carefully. Excessive discounting may reduce cash generation and shrink profit margins. Every discount affects the amount of money entering the business. Smart companies evaluate whether lower prices actually improve overall cash flow instead of simply increasing transaction volume. Recurring revenue models often create more predictable cash flow. Subscription services, maintenance agreements, and long-term contracts provide consistent incoming cash. Predictability makes planning easier because business owners have a better understanding of future income and can make decisions with greater confidence and financial stability. Monitoring key financial numbers regularly is essential. Bank balances, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and operating expenses all provide valuable information. When owners understand these figures, they gain a clearer picture of cash movement and can identify trends before they become major financial challenges. Every business should prepare for unexpected situations. Economic changes, supplier issues, market shifts, or sudden expenses can affect cash flow without warning. Planning ahead creates resilience. Businesses that anticipate potential risks often recover faster because they already have strategies and resources available when challenges appear. Growth should never come at the expense of financial stability. Expanding too quickly can place enormous pressure on cash flow. New hires, larger facilities, and increased inventory require funding. Sustainable growth happens when expansion is supported by strong cash management rather than optimism alone. Cash flow management is not a task reserved for accountants. Every business owner benefits from understanding how money moves through the company. Even basic knowledge can improve decision-making. The more familiar owners become with cash flow principles, the more control they gain over business performance. Successful businesses treat cash as a valuable resource. They track it carefully, protect it wisely, and allocate it intentionally. Every financial decision affects future cash availability. Businesses that respect the importance of cash flow often build stronger foundations and remain competitive during both good and difficult times. The ultimate purpose of cash flow management is creating a healthy, sustainable business. Strong cash flow supports growth, reduces stress, improves decision-making, and provides flexibility when opportunities arise. Mastering cash flow is not about complicated formulas. It is about understanding where money comes from, where it goes, and ensuring more stays available for the future. A business owner should know their cash position at all times. Waiting until the end of the month to review finances is risky. Daily awareness of available cash helps prevent surprises and allows faster decision-making when opportunities or challenges appear. Visibility creates control, and control creates confidence. Many businesses focus on increasing sales while ignoring customer quality. Some customers pay quickly and consistently, while others create delays and collection problems. A smaller group of reliable customers can sometimes produce healthier cash flow than a larger group of customers who regularly pay late. Negotiation can improve cash flow significantly. Better supplier terms, lower service costs, or more favorable payment schedules can keep cash available longer. Business owners should not assume every expense is fixed. Professional negotiation often creates financial advantages that strengthen the company's overall cash position. Emergency spending decisions often lead to expensive mistakes. When cash becomes tight, owners may rush into loans, contracts, or purchases without proper evaluation. Strong cash management reduces desperation. Businesses with healthy cash reserves usually have more time to think clearly and choose better solutions. Every dollar has a job. Some dollars pay employees. Others support marketing, inventory, technology, or growth initiatives. Viewing cash as a resource with specific purposes encourages discipline. Businesses that assign clear priorities to spending tend to use their money more efficiently and effectively. Regular financial reviews reveal patterns that might otherwise remain hidden. Certain months may produce stronger cash flow, while others create pressure. Understanding these trends allows owners to prepare in advance. Good planning transforms predictable challenges into manageable situations rather than unexpected financial emergencies. Customer retention can improve cash flow more efficiently than constantly finding new customers. Existing customers already know the business and often require less marketing effort. Repeat purchases generate revenue with lower acquisition costs, allowing more cash to remain inside the business and support future growth. Technology can simplify cash flow management. Accounting software, invoicing systems, payment reminders, and financial dashboards provide valuable information quickly. While technology does not replace sound decision-making, it helps business owners monitor cash movement more accurately and respond faster when financial conditions change. The strongest businesses think long-term. Instead of chasing short-term wins, they focus on creating systems that support stable cash generation year after year. Consistency often beats rapid but unstable growth. Reliable cash flow creates the foundation needed to survive challenges and capture future opportunities. Cash flow mastery is a lifelong business skill. Markets change, customer behavior evolves, and expenses fluctuate. Owners who continually monitor, learn, and adapt remain in a stronger position. The businesses that thrive for decades are usually not those with the biggest sales, but those that manage cash with discipline, awareness, and patience. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.